Using Spotify can sometimes be a bit frustrating when you encounter issues that disrupt your music streaming experience. But worry not, as we're here to provide you with some tips and tricks to help overcome these problems. One common issue that many Spotify users face is unexpected pauses in their music. Often, this can be attributed to someone else using your Spotify account and playing music simultaneously. Although you can log into your account on multiple devices, Spotify doesn't support simultaneous playback. Therefore, if someone else starts playing music using your account, your music will come to a halt. To tackle this, we have two solutions for you. Firstly, you can change your account password to ensure exclusive access. Start by going to your Spotify account page, click on the Change Password option in the left column, enter your current password, and then enter your new password twice. Finally, hit Set New Password. Alternatively, you can log everyone out of your Spotify account on all devices. Go to your Spotify account page, select the Account Overview section, then scroll down, and click on Sign Out Everywhere. This will ensure a fresh start for your music streaming. Another factor that may cause Spotify to pause is internet connectivity issues. Weak or slow internet connections can lead to frequent pauses or stuttering during music playback, especially when streaming content. Streaming music demands a stable internet connection. While waiting for a better signal or connecting to a more stable network, there are a few steps you can take. If you're using your mobile data, ensure that it is turned on. For Android users, launch the Settings app, tap on Network and Internet, select SIMs, and ensure that both mobile data and roaming are toggled on. Please be aware that roaming may incur additional fees from your carrier, depending on your plan. For iPhone users, open the Settings app, go to Cellular, tap on Cellular Data, select the desired SIM card for data usage, and make sure data roaming is toggled on. Again, remember that roaming charges may apply. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try restarting your router to refresh the connection. Additionally, consider upgrading your phone plan or internet service provider if necessary. It's important to have a stable and reliable connection for uninterrupted music streaming. Furthermore, it's worth checking if Spotify servers are experiencing any issues. While rare, server downtime can impact your playback experience. To stay updated, you can visit the Spotify status Twitter feed or check websites like Down Detector, where users report service-related issues. Now, let's shift our focus to the device you're using for Spotify. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can resolve technical problems. For Android phones, press and hold the power and volume up buttons simultaneously, then select Restart to reboot the device. iPhone users can press and hold the power and volume up buttons, slide from left to right when prompted to power off, and then power it back on. Updating the Spotify app can also improve its performance. App updates often come with bug fixes and enhancements. To update the app on Android, open the Google Play Store, tap on your profile avatar, then select Manage Apps and Device, and look for the Updates Available section. You can either update Spotify individually or select Update All for all available updates. iPhone users can open the Apple App Store, tap on the profile avatar, and choose to update Spotify individually or update all apps. Moreover, keeping your device's software up to date can help enhance overall performance. On Android, launch the Settings app, go to System, select System Update, and tap on Check for Update to see if there's an available update. Follow the instructions provided if an update is found. For iPhones, go to the Settings app, select General, and then choose Software Update. If an update is available, you can install it from there. If you're still experiencing issues, clearing the Spotify app's cache can be beneficial. Cache memory stores data locally to expedite loading times, but it can sometimes become corrupted and cause malfunctions. On Android, access the Settings app, go to Apps, tap on See All Apps, find and select Spotify, click on Storage and Cache, and choose Clear Cache. You can also consider clearing storage for a fresh start. Unfortunately, on iPhones, clearing app cache is not possible. In such cases, the next best solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Spotify app. To uninstall Spotify on Android, open the Settings app, go to Apps, tap on See All Apps, find and select Spotify, choose Uninstall, and confirm by clicking OK. For iPhone users, press and hold the Spotify app, select Remove App, and hit Delete App. Afterward, simply reinstall Spotify from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store to ensure a clean installation. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions have been helpful.